Jerry, hey,
Grand.
Jerry, can I ask you a question? I'll be really, really honest with you. What's the difference between a psychic and a mind reader? What's the difference? Like, what do they do, or how do they do it?
No difference.
Well, there is, isn't there? Like, the psychic would sort of predict what's going to happen in the future. Yeah, yeah.
Mind you to read your mind.
Yeah. So, if I could predict something that's about to happen in the future, I could nearly predict something you're about to say and say the same thing at the same time, couldn't I?
Yeah.
Okay. Whereas a mind reader could maybe influence you to think of something.
Yeah.
Not fair. Okay, so can we try a little test?
Yeah.
Okay. You'll be glad to know I'm not a psychic.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm going to prove that to you. The very first thing I want to do is prove to you I'm not a psychic. Okay. So what we're going to do is, on the count of 3, I'm going to ask you to say a random word, just one word. I'm going to say the same word you say. Now, make it simple word, it doesn't? Okay. Now, on the count of 3, make sure you say it.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3,
Dublin.
apple. What did you say?
Dublin.
What?
Dublin.
Dublin, okay. Okay. So that's quite clearly, I'm not a psychic. Did you get it? You okay with that?
Yeah.
But I might be a mind reader. Okay. Let's have a go. This is not your usual pick a card and I'll find it. It's just, we're just going to use a deck of cards, a random, for you to select a free choice. Is that fair enough?
Yeah.
So I'm going to look away, I'm going to ripple through like this,
Mm.
and I'm going to ask you to stop at some stage.
Yeah.
Okay? Only when you feel ready, say stop. Ready?
Stop.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Do you want to go forward?
No.
Do you want to go back?
No.
That is your card.
That is
Are you
my card.
happy 100%?
Yeah.
Okay, so we turn that around, don't lift it yet. That is the card you picked.
Yeah.
Was there any reason you said stop there and not move any other direction? Because that's really interesting you picked
No.
at that moment. Okay. So I've now got to, will you have a look at the card? Don't show me what it is.
Yeah.
Okay. But I want you to feel the card in your heart. Now I don't mean think, I know you can think, but I want you to feel whatever that card is. Feel it in your heart. You know what I mean by that?
Mm.
Okay. When you can feel it in your heart, look at me. Okay. You got it? Feel it? Okay. Okay, well, look, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. Okay, look, we'll go with that. Okay, so you have the card, I've made a prediction. You can show everybody the card at this stage. 3 of spades, okay, sorry, 3 of spades is the card. Are you happy with that? That is your card, okay. Let's see, can we do some of this? We'll put them back in the okay that? We don't need them anymore, because I now know, you know, the card you picked. Random selection, are you happy?
Yep.
Was the 3 of...
Spades.
3 of...
Spades.
Okay, 3 of spades. What are the chances of me being able to have predicted that, just from you picking a random card?
1 in a million.
1 in a million. You sure? 100%? Okay, what have I said to you, Jerry? There's a card there, look. But don't throw it over this yet, okay? What are the chances I've written that down there?
Low chances.
There's no chances.
Low. Very low.
Don't turn it over yet. I want you to turn it over on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. What's it say?
3 spades.
Okay, that's just part of this, okay? It's only part of what we're doing, okay? I'm going to take my shoe off, okay? I want to show you something really cool. And my shoes covered in mud, by the way. I'd only realise that today. But I'm taking my shoes off because before I even came in here today, I made a prediction and I put it in my shoe. Right? It's down the very bottom. Here. I want you to take your time, but I want you to hold that up. I want you to open it up, read it out loud.
Doubled.
Dublin.
Oh my lord. Dublin.
Not Apple.
Oh, I'd have to say.
No, Jerry, you're not finished. You're not finished.
No way.
You're still not finished. Watch this. Have a look in your inside pocket here. Inside. That's outside, inside. Tell me there's something in there. Okay, what's it say in there?
Jerry will pick the 3 of spades.
Oh.
I like that.
Oh, my goodness.
Well
Remember?
Yeah, yeah.